Domestic workers contribute great value to the national economy by providing supportive services to working people. They make it possible for many people to work outside of their homes and to contribute more productively to national economic development. The new measures are binding on every domestic worker, and every employer of a domestic worker in Namibia are enforceable under the law. The implementation of a wage order will begin a new era in the regulation of the employment of domestic workers in Namibia.
Our research established that 45% of domestic workers presently earn below 600 Namibian dollars per month. The new measures regarding domestic work should signal to the public, and especially the employers of domestic workers, that they will no longer be able to rely on cheap labor nor perform domestic work. This marks the beginning of a new regime for domestic work, and all of us must adapt to the new condition. However, it is important to understand that the minimum wage is not the wage rate that the government thinks that employers should pay to domestic workers. It is only a minimum. This means that the law does not permit employers to pay less than the amount stipulated as the minimum by law.
Effective the 1st of April 2016, the minimum wage shall be increased to an amount equivalent to the increase of Consumer Price Index plus 5%. An important new facility in the form of an SMS line has also been introduced if there are any queries or any employers that do not comply with the new law.
An important new facilities as SMS line has been introduced to enable all interested parties to contact the Ministry for further information and to lodge complaint. The SMS number is 66111, 66111, which means 66111. We will respond to all your questions. The new SM line will also help the ministry to enforce the wage order.
The ministry has also made available a standard contract of employment for domestic workers on their website and also at all regional offices for those that do not have a contract in place.